Okay, so now I am going to demonstrate controlling the DC motor speed using Bluetooth. First, I want to show the Bluetooth connection pairing. So if you say add Bluetooth device, you see here I have the HC02 paired, but we also want to make sure that that is a legitimate pairing. So you go under Device Manager, and under Ports, I have the USB, which is COM3, as well as COM5 and COM6 for the transmitter and receiver of the Bluetooth module. In this moment, though, you can see that the module is flashing, the LED is flashing, so the Bluetooth connection has not been made. So I'm going to X out of this. I am going to go to Arduino and I'm going to upload this code. It is the same code that was used for controlling the DC motor speed using USB. And now that it is done uploading, I am going to unplug my Arduino. So now you could see here, this is the Arduino cable. I'm unplugged. Okay, and now I'm going to go to MATLAB, and I have changed the serial COM from COM3, which, like I said, is for the USB, now to COM6. And I'm going to run. And now we could see that I got a solid blue LED, which means that the Bluetooth connection has been made. So just like before, now we're going to see the DC motor speed is going to be regulated by PWM signals being sent from 0 to 255. So this motor is speed is going to increase all the way up to 255, and then it's going to stop. And that's it.